Hi there, you are watching Enriching Lives, and today I'm going to share with you how limiting belief could actually stop you from achieving your goals. So you need to be very clear with what you believe about yourself and what kind of goals you are setting. Your goals and aspirations need to be in complete sync with your belief system. Okay, I'll give you a quick example over here. Let's say you set a goal that I want to earn 2 lakhs per month. Now this is your goal, but deep down inside you believe that I am not really worth this much, or rather you believe that I can only earn 50,000 per month. So it's just for the sake of writing a goal, you have written 2 lakhs per month, but you have a strong belief that I cannot earn more than 50,000 per month. Now this will create chaotic vibrations. Understand this thing, it will not be emitting the frequency of the vibrations that you need to attract from the universe if I talk about your goals. So here the frequencies would mismatch, and because of this you will not be able to achieve your goals. So you need to understand the concept of implicit beliefs, which means that what do you feel about yourself? What do you think about yourself? What is there in your mind about what do you deserve? So do you really have questions like, am I worth it? Will I be able to do it? I do not have enough capabilities to earn this much. So if these kind of thoughts cross your mind, then believe me, you will really not be able to earn 2 lakhs per month. But then if you set this goal and you always have a strong belief that yes, I am worth it, I deserve this, I can very well earn this, and I have all the skill sets and knowledge that will help me to achieve this goal. I can easily earn 2 lakhs per month, and yes, it is in my reach. So if you have a belief system like this, well, I'm sure you'll definitely be able to achieve it sooner or later. I'll give you one more example. So let's say a student sets a goal that he wants to study in the IIMs, that is the Indian Institute of Management. So he prepares for the entrance examination, he works hard, but then if deep down inside him he kind of believes that I will not be able to make it to IIMs because I am really not that intelligent, I am not capable enough, or it is very difficult, or I may not clear this entrance exam, and the other students out there will be more intelligent, my competition would be really intense, and I don't think I have that much brains to clear this entrance exam. Now even if you write this goal and you keep on having a look at this goal several times during your day, still your actions will not be aligned with this goal because the belief is limiting you. You have a limiting belief system inside you, and deep down you believe that you are not worth it. Right? So here the candidate will always have implicit belief that he has not got the talent and the knowledge to crack this exam, and because of this his limiting belief, he will really not be able to achieve this goal. And then people are really sad and they crib that, oh, I had set this goal, I used to read it so many times, I used to tell it to people, I have declared it, but still I was unable to crack the exam. Well, you not only need to write it or declare it to the people, to the exterior, but you also need to communicate it to your interior. So you need to also have that kind of feelings and emotions. Then only you will be able to emit vibrations of similar frequency which is required to achieve your goals. So always remember, we perform and achieve anything in our life in the form of energy. So we all know that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It is converted from one form to another. So when you have limiting beliefs, negative emotions about yourself, then you emit vibrations of lower frequency. And the goal that you have set for yourself is of a higher frequency. So when you are emitting lower frequency, how are you going to attract higher frequencies? Right? So in this universe, everything works on the basis of vibrations and frequency. So you need to understand this fact that your belief has to be strong enough, then only you will be able to reach your goals and your actions would be in complete alignment with your goals, because your actions are also in alignment with your thought process. Okay, now we all know this story of the horse. So as you can see in the picture, this horse has been tied to a plastic chair. Now we all can very well understand from this image, this is pretty easy for this horse to break this and be free, but still the horse is not able to do it. Why is it so? That's the power of limiting beliefs. And the horse was too small and it was tied and it could not break it. Now this belief has got ingrained in its subconscious mind. And now the horse believes that I cannot do it. It is really not possible for me to break it and be free. Hence the horse is not even giving try. It thinks that it's not worth it. I do not deserve it. I am not worth it. So the horse is doubting its capabilities, and because of this, it is really not able to free itself. So this is the power of your limiting beliefs. So I hope you got an idea that in order to achieve your goals, you need to have strong belief system. Okay. If you like this content, do smash the like button and share it in your community as well. I'll see you soon with yet another video. Till then, you take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.